Pranshi, how was your experience learning with Sumeru Academy?
Firstly, hi everyone. My name is Pranshi Dalati, and I recently gave my IELTS examination, and I received an 8.5 band score, which is usually a dream of a lot of people. And if I say about Sumeru Academy and learning about IELTS, I like to say in one word, it was marvelous. From start to end, Harshit sir has constantly been a great mentor. Whether it's a small silly doubt, he'd even skip his lunch, to be very honest, just to solve our doubts. So it's been great, and thank you so much.
So, Pranshi, as you have managed to get your dream score, what advice will you give to other students?
Being very honest, it was way more than my dream score. 8.5 was actually a dream. So one advice I'd like to give is be patient. Even though you think that you've had the hang of it, you still have time. So get a thorough knowledge of what else is, how you should be prepared, and that's going to lead you to your desired band score eventually. So stay confident and at least don't panic on the examination. That's it.
So, Pranshi, why did you opt for IELTS over other tests?
So I've known a lot of English proficiency tests, and choosing IELTS was a decision because there's one thing about flexibility, and I was very surprised to see that if you're prepared today and you want to take a test or opt for the test tomorrow, IELTS allows you to do that, which is an upper hand about and above all the other English proficiency tests. Though I did not take it the very next day, Harshit sir mentored me to give it a good go. So I took it after a month after giving full length tests, so that it made me clear. And one more thing was because of the results, I am a person who has the least anticipation and the least patience. So something that is going to keep me on my heels is that I need to know my result the very next or in a few days. So IELTS allows you to do that, and it gives you, if you give a computer-based test, it's going to give you the result within 2 days, which was pretty much amazing. So that is why I prefer IELTS over any other English proficiency test.
And Pranshi, how did you come to know about Sumeru Academy, our institute?
Okay, so I am a resident at Naryad, and I've known a lot of academies in Naryad since IELTS is something that's very branded. So after every other society or every other corner, you'll be able to see one board that teaches IELTS. But Sumeru has been standing out since a very long time, and whether it's my relatives or our parents, they've always said that the success rate of Sumeru has been great and outstanding. So with the mentorship of Harshit sir, obviously, I'd like to say that Sumeru would be your best choice if you actually want to get a thorough understanding of IELTS and English proficiency. So yes, thank you so much, and that's why you should choose Sumeru.